Okay, we're going to let a and b be numbers that are greater than 1. And we want to show that the log base a of x and the log base b of x grow at the same rate as x grows towards infinity. So we're looking at another limit here as x approaches infinity of log a over log b. And if these grow at the same rate, then we should get a specific number limit. Any specific number will work. So this is a difficult form for them to work in. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use what's called a change of base formula to reorganize this limit. And remember, change of base is the log of x over the log of the base, the log of what's inside over the log of what's the base. So I'm going to use natural log because it's easier to take derivative of in case I need to do that in a minute. And I'm going to change it up so that I have the limit as x approaches infinity of, whoops, not log anymore, but the log of natural log of x over natural log of a, that's my new numerator, divided by the natural log of x over natural log of b, that's my new denominator, okay? And as always, anytime you're working with a fraction, try and simplify it as much as you can before you go to the next step. We saw in the previous problem up here that if we simplified that fraction, we didn't really need to mess with derivative. So when I look at this, natural log x over natural log a, that's my numerator. Natural log x, natural log b is my denominator. So my numerator times my denominator then, the reciprocal of my denominator is going to look like this. Let me change colors. It's going to look like natural log x over natural log a times the reciprocal on the bottom, natural log b over natural log x. And what happens is, remember, a and b are constants, so the natural logs of x cancel out, and I'm left with natural log b over natural log a. Now remember, this is a constant. This is a constant, okay? Which means that the limit as x approaches infinity of the natural log of b over the natural log of a is that thing, natural log b over natural log a. It's a specific number. Since it's a specific number, they grow at the same rate. So this is a little bit of a unique problem. But try and wrap your head around the fact that log b and a, those are specific constants. Those are numbers larger than 1 because that was the instruction given to us. Okay? So there you go. We can also do this without having to take a derivative.